Hi, my name's Anne-Marie and I'm here today to review this AEG Lavamat washing machine. So it's the 6000 series. There's quite a number of different series in this. We have the 6000, and I think the first thing you'll notice about this washing machine is the massive drum. It's a 10 kilogram drum and it's absolutely fantastic. So it's actually so big that I can put my backside right into it here. There you go, you see? So that's how big it is. Big bum, big drum. And we're going to be able to put a duvet into this, which is quite unheard of as well. I'm just going to put this double duvet into the machine just so you can see just how big the capacity is. Okay, so I think I've proved that's a pretty big drum. 10 kilograms, so that's the first thing that you probably notice, that and the fact that the machine actually looks really, really good. Very easy to install as well. We got this with AO.com and they provided help in that. It took 10 minutes to get it installed, which is wonderful. Great service. So I have a family with 3 small kids, so obviously we do a lot of washing. We wash every day, probably 2 or 3 times a day, and this machine not only obviously has a big drum, as I said, but it also has a range of different options. So I'm just going to switch it on here for you so you can see it. Just hold it down for a second to switch it on. Okay, so as you can see, there's the little digital display there, and we have a range of different programs. So we have everything from cotton right through to a very short 20-minute wash, and it also obviously has a duvet option, but it also has lovely options like the Soft Plus, so you can get your clothes super soft, and you can wash your silks and your satins and your woolens all in this machine quite safely. Now, I own an AEG steam oven already, and I received a booklet just like this with my oven, and it is important to take the time to actually read the information, because every bit of information on this machine is worthwhile and you need to know how to use it, because you can have your cottons in the machine, but it actually will weigh the amount. It will kind of detect with the ProSense technology how much is in the machine, so it will cater for that and it will bring down the time that the wash is needed, if that even makes sense. But basically it's a very clever machine and it works very well. It seems to be very sensitive to what it is you're washing, so I'm just going to put something on here for you. It's just a variety of different clothes, lightly soiled. Is that what I call it? So this is just some of the children's clothes and a couple of towels. And I'm going to pop those out. I'm just going to see just how easy it is to use. So I'm going to go with a really short wash here, because obviously that's really handy if you have loads of kids and you're trying to get everything washed as quickly as possible. So you just turn the knob here to clockwise, and it's just going down there to 20-minute setting, and 3 kilograms. So it's obviously allowed me to put this on because I have less than 3 kilograms of clothes there, and I put my liquid in, I have, and so I just press start here and it's locked, and there's also a child lock on this, which means that you can lock it, and obviously then the children can't put their grubby fingers on it and change it to, you know, like a 95-degree wash when you've got your silk undies in there. What else? The only other thing I would say is the machine is actually very, very quiet as well. I know it's filling up now, but on the spin setting and everything, it's incredibly quiet. It's the most quiet washing machine I've ever encountered, and again, that's valuable if you're washing clothes late at night. So definitely read your user manual, and I've got to say I would give this a 10 out of 10. It's a wonderful machine. AEG is a great make anyway, and it really is a valuable piece of equipment to have in the house.